Hey everybody, just sitting here after the big birthday group poll, fun time winning group poll that we had this past weekend. I wanted to say thank you to all of you that participated, new friends, old friends. Thank you everyone that showed up or said happy birthday or came by, bought me a shot or got me a shot. Just want to say thank you to all of you guys. Wanted to also shout out Heather Howard. She became a Diamond channel member. Thank you so much, Heather. I appreciate that. AJ Peterson, another Diamond channel member. Wanted to shout those two Diamond channel members out. I really do appreciate it. It helps support the channel. I also wanted to talk about a couple of things that have kind of been on my mind with my channel and people asking me things, as I've done this now for a little over a year. The first thing I wanted to kind of talk about is people ask me, how do you get these hookups? How do you know all about what casinos will do? What's your budget? Things like that. And some of those questions are maybe for a longer Q&A. But what I did want to talk about is you guys, whether you're just sitting in the background and watch videos, love it if you hit those thumbs up and subscribe. Or if you're a subscriber, channel member, whatever. A looky-loo, I've had people say, hey, I watch videos, but I don't comment. That's all great. It's all love here. And what I want to do is kind of help spread that love. I've had some channel members, some subscribers just reach out, hey, what do you think about this deal? I got this, I got that. I'm getting sorry, I'm YouTubing right now.
Mario right there too.
Yeah. Oh. Just saw a friend pass by. So anyway, back to that. So what I wanted to do is let you guys know I am always open. If you've got something, shoot me a message on my Facebook page. That's easiest, Slots and Craps. If you've got a question about a casino, a hotel, a hotel attached with a casino, you're traveling somewhere, want to know between casinos. If you guys don't know, I've pretty much traveled all over the country, gambling, staying at casinos, hotels, things like that. In my former life, I happened to, I guess I shouldn't say former life, former career, happened to, be able to travel quite a bit extensively and know kind of some ins and outs of things, and especially in and around the casino world. However, I don't know everything, and I've learned so much on this journey as well, and I just want to share the knowledge or share any hookups that I might be able to pass on to you, or get you in touch with my host or a host at a property to make that next trip that you're doing a little bit easier, better, cheaper, or get you that extra free meal, or get those dreaded resort fees comped off. Whatever I can do to help, because you guys have helped support me on this channel, and I just want to try and give back as best as I can. I know I do giveaways and things like that, and I enjoy doing all of that, but I also like the connection. I really do, talking about things, meeting people, going places, and just sitting down, having a conversation. I was going to dinner a few weeks ago at a casino, and channel member and subscriber, Taco Cat, said, hey, want to grab dinner together? We did. Sat down, had a great conversation with him and his wife. Learned a lot about them. Love it. So please, reach out. Facebook page, Slots and Craps. Leave a comment here on the channel. Either way. And if there's anything that I can do to help, if you want to see something different in one of the places that you go, Wendover, Mesquite, Vegas, if there's something that's happened and you know that I go there, or that I shout their product out, and you need maybe just somebody to talk to about it or whatever, I'm here. If you need, that extra hookup to maybe get your room elevated to a different type of room or whatever, let me know. The worst anybody can ever do or anything can happen is somebody say no, can't do it. So I'm I'm here for you guys. Thank you for being there for me. I genuinely do appreciate it. Thank you so much to all my Wendover folks. I really appreciate all the support you guys give me. And yeah, we'll see you guys for the next one.